Let's look at how to run Claude Code locally with open source models using Ollama. Using Claude Code via Ollama, you can run open source models such as GLM 4.7 Flash, GPT-OSS, Qwen3 Coda, Qwen3 VL, and more. Let's go to the Ollama blog. Over here, they have a post about Anthropic API compatibility. If I scroll down, you have noticed here, to use Claude Code with Ollama, you should have Ollama version 0.14.0. So you visit ollama.com and download it to get the latest version. I have Ollama already installed, so I will go to the terminal. To check the version, you put Ollama --version. You have noticed here, I have the version 0.14.3. When we download Ollama, you also need a model to run. So you can grab any of these models, like for example, GPT-OSS. To pull and run a model, all you need is to run this command, Ollama run followed by the model's name. I have already downloaded GPT-OSS, so I will launch the Ollama desktop app. You have noticed over here, I have GPT-OSS 20b. Let's also do one crucial setting in Ollama. I will click Ollama and select settings. To run the open source models efficiently with Claude Code using Ollama, you should adjust the context length to about 32K. After installing Ollama, we need to install Claude Code using this command. Next, we should configure these two environment variables in order to use Ollama with Claude Code. So in the terminal, we export the Anthropic auth token and also Anthropic base URL. I have already run this command to install Claude Code on Mac. To install it on Windows, you can check the link in the description of the video. To start using Claude Code in my terminal, all I need to do is to put Cloud and proceed. You have noticed here, I have Cloud Opus 4.5. To change the model, I can put the / command and select model. This instance of Claude Code runs only Anthropic models. To use Claude Code via Ollama to run Ollama-supported open source models, I will add another terminal instance. So on the left, we have Claude Code running in the terminal with Opus 4.5. On the right, we want to use it with Ollama so that we can run Ollama-supported open source models. To do that, I'll add this command, cloud -- model followed by the model's name, that is GPT-OSS 20b. I will then press the return key. You have noticed we have the same previous message when launching Claude Code. I'll press the return key to proceed. When we now compare the terminal window on the right to the one on the left, with the one on the right, we are using GPT-OSS 20b. That is an open source model from OpenAI. So we can now go ahead and use GPT-OSS 20b in Claude Code via Ollama.